I think after this lockdown, I'll not only learn survival cooking, I'll learn how to wash clothes, how to wash the house, clean the house. Just do what you want because I think trollers के पास वैसे भी कुछ काम तो है नहीं. They just sit there and write negative things.
Whenever I call her, I give some kind of gyan. I can't help it. This is mother.
I was actually very nervous because I was acting with her and I thought she'd kill me. And in fact, there were 2-3 times when she told me how bad my acting was.
I am her big critic. Okay, so she knows that. If I don't like it, I say I don't like it to her.
Hi, thank you so much for doing
Hi.
this. How
Yeah.
are you doing, Masaba? I was just chatting with Ninaji and she was telling me about her lovely place and how she's been acing the quarantine. What about you?
I've also been doing pretty well actually. I'm working out more than I ever have in my whole life, and I've been just I think keeping as calm as possible and trying to work from home as much as I can. So I think I'm just staying afloat, I would say. So I'm not doing too badly.
So, who's the definite better cook among the two of you?
Definitely mom. Oh God, I
Yeah.
can't cook to save my life. So definitely mom. But I've been doing a little bit of stuff here, so I'm not so bad. But I think mom.
So now that you're saying you're learning, Nina ji, are you going to give some few survival cooking recipes? Are you sending those to Masaba thinking आपकी याद आएगी तो वो बना कर खा सकती है?
Haha, I have been watching her videos of what we are cooking here. Then she asked me a few things that I had first time. I think by the end of lockdown, she would have learned a lot.
I think after this lockdown, I'll not only learn survival cooking, I'll learn how to wash clothes, how to wash the house, clean the house. So it's a survival package.
Which is not too bad. You know, I was just chatting with Ninaji on this, and I'd like you also to tell me. This lockdown has been long, right? Right now, and we obviously have to continue. But while we're in isolation, what's one thing you realized about yourself that that you realize now, a sort of observation that you've made about yourself and about the world around you?
I think for me, I've realized that you need very little bit to survive. Actually, I think all the extra stuff we hoard so much. You know, you don't need too many clothes. I'm saying this being a designer. You don't need too many clothes. You don't need fancy food. You don't need. And you don't need that many people, and you don't need to have such an active social life to survive. So I think uh, it's the simpler life is, the less people you have around you, I think the better. And I think that's what I've realized. And I've realized I love being indoors. And
You love
I
making.
hate socializing. Yeah, I've realized that I only socialize because of the job I do and the profession I'm in, but otherwise, I'm very happy to just watch something, work out, eat, and go to sleep. I'm very happy.
Neeraj, similar thoughts, ना? आप भी वही सोच रही हैं? You
नहीं,
also don't
इतना
like
ज्यादा
socializing any?
इतना ज्यादा नहीं सोच रही. अभी तो ये सब अच्छा लगता है और थोड़े दिन में हम सब भूल जाएंगे. जब सब खुल जाएगा ना, जब हमारा सब ठीक हो जाएगा, आई एम श्योर हम काफी कुछ भूल जाएंगे.
Masaba, she says you're going to go back to socializing immediately and you're going to forget this feeling. Do you think so?
Sorry.
Bless
I
you.
mean, I might. I don't know, but I'm really enjoying this, and I've been like in quarantine now nearly a month myself. So I'm really enjoying it, and maybe I'll enjoy going out. But I've realized I like lesser people, so that's one big observation. So even if I go out, I'll go out with lesser people now.
Now he's telling me that she's really like acing up her Instagram skills and like she's brushing them up. What do you think about her videos that she puts out? I think they are awesome, especially the. What about you?
I think, and my team now has started putting pressure on me, saying, "Why can't you do this?" So I am like, I don't have it in me. So my social media team is just like, "You, why can't you do videos like your mom? It's so engaging, it's so real, it's so fun." I said, I don't know how she does it, but I love them. I think they're really. I think the social media is so usually full of very manicured, very perfect posts. And I think it's so refreshing to see something that's just very casual. So I think it's nice. People like it because she's being herself.
You have validation from both the people right here.
Masaba, have you seen my latest?
Oh God, I'm scared to see what you've come up with. I've not seen it.
It's the most scary. You have to see it.
Oh God,
It's very
can't
scary.
wait.
Yeah.
Masaba, Neeraj just told me that she's been catching up with writing and she's finally writing the book that she's been planning. And of course,
Yeah.
she's thinking whether it'll go in print. Um, does that really make you like proud? Because like I was telling her, I feel that the life that both of you have led, also especially her, because she's been through so much, is going to be such an inspiration for people who end up reading it. And also, which are the parts that you absolutely don't want to put from your life?
Actually, I'm okay. I think all the embarrassing stuff about me she's already said on in various interviews and all that. So that's out of the way. But I think I'm really excited because I was telling her that now that you have the time, may as well write the book and finish it off. You won't get so much time again, maybe. And more importantly, I said you have so much to share, and somebody people want to know about you. You've lived
Yeah.
60 plus years, and people now are so interested in knowing what your life has been like. So I told her, please do it now. So I'm very happy. I can't wait to see it. But I think she'll have some surprises in there, hopefully. Something I don't know also.
Yeah. So you were telling us about Masaba's embarrassing moment.
I told you about school when I go to pick her up in school. She used to tell me, don't. She used to tell me, wear salwar kameez or sari. Don't wear petticoat. You should look like the mummy, mother. You shouldn't look like the
Oh
next.
God.
Yeah, Masaba, you used to do that.
I'm so
Yeah.
bad. I was that conservative husband
Huh.
that you all been running away from.
Yeah. So, so yeah, she was all that. You should not do this now. In front of her friends, you should not kiss me and hug me. Like all kids. All kids get
Yeah.
embarrassed, no?
And
Yeah.
Basava, now what do you think of her amazing, cute short dresses that she's been putting? And I told her you must use most of them. And tell me how. And coming from you, like like if you had to sort of review her fashion sense that's been evolving.
I think now after your parents hit 40, you can't say anything to them. I think, uh, or maybe later. But I think now you just have to just accept it because I don't think I also own as many shorts as her or short dresses as her. And I'm actually a completely opposite dresser. I wear everything oversized. So yeah, I think it's nice. I think every woman should now forget it. Yeah, I mean, we just dress for yourself,
Yeah.
wear what makes you happy, and don't listen to anyone because everyone will say negative things only, as we all know. So you should just do what you want.
I am from that time when we were in school, like senior school, and if your strap showed, it was like, oh, quietly look
Yeah.
at her.
Yeah.
So it was like that. Now we wear bra and go. So I, I'm from that. मैं sanitary napkins लेने जाने में शर्म आती थी chemist के
Yeah.
पास, and he will first put it in a black plastic bag, newspaper, and then you hid it and you came home. So I'm from that time. Now you
Mom's
will
come a long way.
yeah. I
Yeah.
mean, from no nothing, no one telephone landline यार, वो भी नहीं मिलती थी. राइट देते थे लोग.
I think Masawa will agree. I think you're doing fabulously now, and so, we are so glad that we're at a time. Of course, the judgment and the trolling still continues by people who are, you know, are really out there only to put you down. But at least women now get to have their own voices and have support for it, isn't it? And Masawa, we'd like to add to that.
Yeah, it's wonderful because the thing is, women have been suppressed for so long now, and abhi now ho gaya na. Anyway, all of us are heading towards a very different world. I think where we'll anyway be told what to do as a civilization. So I think it's good that just do what you want because I think trollers ke paas वैसे भी कुछ काम तो है नहीं. They just sit there and write negative things. So you do what you have to do. I think it's
Yeah.
fine.
Is there anything about Nina Ji that you can share that is sort of embarrassing according to you for her?
Nothing.
No, mom, you have no idea. There is so much. she doesn't have a filter, right? So I remember once, I won't take the name, but we were in Dubai once for an exhibition, and there was this lady, a socialite, who had broken something, and she was walking with a crutch. And mom basically, long story short, she said, "Did you fall off?" So she says, "Yeah, I fell off." And she said, "Why? Have you checked your balance these days? These days, people's balance is very off, or something crap like that." She said to this one lady, and total foot in her mouth. And I think she was aiming at saying that this lady basically kind of did drugs, and that's why her balance was off. and and that lady was so confused because she obviously knew what my mother was talking about, but she couldn't react. So these are one of the very few instances that mom says anything and doesn't and remembers later. Oh, अच्छा उसको तो पता चल गया होगा that मैंने ऐसे कहा था. So yeah.
This is so relatable. My mother keeps saying these things as well. Neeraji,
She is embarrassed when I give her gyan. You know how mothers give gyan all the time. And
what is the
so
last gyan you gave her during quarantine?
This only, wear a
oh,
mask, wear gloves. I said, Mama, but I'm wearing. What else will I do?
Acha, have you got groceries? Are you behaving
Ah.
yourself with other people? Whenever I call her, I give some kind of gyan. But I can't help it. This is mother.
Masaba, I
Because
love it.
that day I told her I slept for 2 hours in the afternoon. She said, "Are you all right?" I said, "Yeah, I'm just sleeping." Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
Neeraji, in your life, you're still following your routine of getting up at a certain time, doing your yoga, then eating. Your schedule is fixed. So, like, anybody else who does anything off it is strange for you.
Yeah, so I
But
started thinking, I hope she's well because why she's sleeping so much? I hope she's well, like that kind of thing.
Masaba, on that note, I love it how she said, I also told her, I asked her if she's behaving herself with people and stuff like that.
I mean, I'm the most well-behaved person I know. I'm not even joking, except for sometimes, but I'm very well-behaved usually. So, with other people.
Okay, on that note, tell me, Masama, which are the few recent performances that you feel, like Neji kept saying that there's so much more work that she wanted to, of course, do. And now finally that's happening, post Badhai Ho. So, which are the few films of hers that you've seen, performances that you really like, and yeah.
I of course I much prefer Shubh Mangal's performance than Badhai Ho, because I thought she was really good and really funny. So I'd say Shubh Mangal, and then I really liked her in Bazaar Sitaram. I saw that, the one that she. Mama, were you in it?
I made it,
Yes, you
baby,
were.
and I got a national award for it.
Yeah, you got national. You were in it, na? Why did I feel like you weren't in it? I really liked
I was.
Utsav.
You haven't
Utsav
seen
was really
Soul.
nice.
You haven't
I'm
seen
not seeing what?
Panchayat. Panchayat.
No, nah. I have to see it out today. I'll see it out today. I'll see. We have all put on our wish list of seeing. So I liked Utsav, and what else did I like?
Have you seen Threshold? Threshold.
Yeah, Threshold was really nice. The shot, like the film with Rajat. What was his name? Shot in Himachal.
Yeah.
Oh, Sean directed it. Yeah, correct. I saw that. That was also very nice. But my top three would be Shubh Mangal, Utsav, and Bazaar Sitaram. Both okay.
Which is a fab list. And Ninaji, on that note, since we are here and you already just told her that why haven't you watched this series, can you give us some recommendations of films that you think both of us should watch?
Yesterday I watched Silver Lining. It was very nice.
Playbook, huh?
Playbook.
Playbook, yeah, that I saw, and of course, Money Heist I saw, which is a new season has come, and of course, Panchayat. And, the threshold is on Hotstar. You can see it. Then you can see my film. Have you seen Kuchi? The old films also you can see like my favorites like Guy, Azam, or Guru Dutt's films, Kagas Ki Phool, Pyasa. Um, of course, Badayo you can see again. Then you can see Suraj Ka Satwa Ghoda. It's also there. And finally, you'll enjoy films because most of the people have not seen these. Sham Benny, that's where I've actually been.
Yeah.
I think you would like them. Yeah, people would like them.
Fair enough. I'm gonna definitely take few from that list. Masaba, what about your list to us? If you had to suggest us, it can be Hindi films, it can be few other films, but what's your list of recommendations?
Well, I love this. I think it's a French film. It's called A Beautiful Life. I'm just forgetting everything right now, but it's my favorite film. No, Life is Beautiful. It's called Life is Beautiful. I love that. What else? I've just started watching Money Heist. First episode, so I don't know what the rest is like, but it's pretty good.
Oh,
Um, yeah, and what else? Eternal Sunshine of the Spotless Mind is lovely. It's a
I
classic.
love that.
And I think if you're feeling a little out of it, feeling a little low, I think A Lot Like Love is a classic. I mean, you can watch it again and again, and it really makes you feel good. And in Hindi films, I actually really like Zubeda. I don't know if people, have put it on their list, but it's a really good film. I love Zubeda. And I also love Udan, the Vikramaditya Motwane film. So, these films.
Tell me one thing, both of you are here together. I must ask you. I know that you all are supposed to do this OTT show based on your lives, and I had spoken to Neena ji because I had met her during that time, long time back. But tell me, it's there's something really exciting about being working with your mom on screen, right? It'll be a different experience. Masaba, I want to know your opinions, and of course, Neena ji's after that.
I was actually very nervous because I was acting with her, and I thought she'd kill me. And in fact, there were 2, 3 times when she told me how bad my acting was in the middle of the scene. She said, "Kitna बुरा कर रही है." But luckily I started off with her and then moved on to the other actors. So I learned a lot, and I was very comfortable then. I think that was good, but I didn't feel any different because also we were playing ourselves and we were just playing out a lot of things that have happened to us. So it was okay, but I think usually when I do ads or if I do like a activity with her, just not, um, you know, uh, not like an acting thing, I get a bit nervous, but then I became okay. I had a great time.
What about you, Nina ji? Do you think now that you've been so honest to her, she's really worked hard on it? I hope you feel that she's also, worked her way in the acting strata of yours. And yeah, you tell me, tell me about that.
see, I am her big critic. Okay, so she knows that. If I don't like it, I say I don't like it to her. And when I saw the rise, when even I was acting with her, I was very surprised. I never expected well, which I told her also. I said, I have to say now that you are very good. So I was very surprised. Shocked. This is what I told her.
So, is there a few words that you'd like to tell everybody who's right now, self quarantined in self isolation from your side?
Don't worry, ठीक हो जाएगा. दिन की बात है. Have every day I say.
I think it's I wake up with a different mood every day. Some days are good, some days are, you're just kind of confused about what's going to happen. But I think I just tell myself that, we are still in a much better position than most people out there in this time.
Yeah.
We have a roof over our head, we have food to eat, we have people we can spend time with, we have the internet, we can, entertain ourselves, we can keep ourselves busy and engaged. So I just say that what people have it worse, so just be happy and be thankful for what you have. And everyone's in the same boat eventually, so no point feeling bad. No one can get out anyway, so it's fine.
Right now, of course, you're in different places, but if you, both of you are stuck with each other, let's say during quarantine, what is one annoying habit of the other person you tell them to change about?
We would kill each other. I would have learned not to interfere and not to give gyan by now.
The self realization.
I think I would have learned to just be calm and just hear what she's saying, and for her peace of mind, do what she's saying. you know, yeah, just quietly do what she's saying.
Fantastic. Thank you so much for doing this.
Yeah.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much. You too. Don't go out for your journalistic work.
Watch E-Town News Monday to Friday at 9:30 p.m. only on Zoom.